Kurokire githagathago itura-ini ria Morem mwena wa Kayole kaunti-ini ya Nairobi thutha wa kambuni imwe ikoretwo igithondeka irio cia ngui kuroka kumomorwo. Maabitha a borithi mahinyĩrĩirio kũruta rĩera rĩa kũruta maithori nĩguo kũhurunja muingi uria ukuoete kanya na kwambĩrĩria kuiya indo cia kambuni iyo.
They've broken everything. They've spoiled material that we had. They cut the power supply, and it's not. This is not thievery. People don't come and steal like this. There's more to it than a theft.
Giko kia umomori ucio ni kimenereirio na njira nene ni mwene kambuni iyo guku akiuga ndarahetwo notithi ya guthama agitariria kwa ihinda ria miaka 40 iria akoretwo akiruta wira haha gutire mundu uri wa mauma na thutha na kumurutira notithi ya guthama.
It's something to think about because we can't be intimidated like this all the time. It's not the first time. It's the third, fourth time they've come to break. Usually they just break the wall there and they leave. And they want people to come in to vandalize.
Kirogota kiria kinini gigutigarite mwene kambuni ino atariirie aruti wira makiria ma 50 nio moritwo ni mawira guku akiuga ni hari bata onjoria kumenyithagio kabere kungikinya kuri na handu hena igeca niguo kurigiriria hathara na wanangi wa indo.
There's a court order. He's proved that it's his land. He bought this plot 40 years ago and has had the first and original title to this plot. So there can be no second guessing. He is the rightful owner of this.
Mwaka muhituku kambuni ingi 6 mwena uyu ni ciamomoreirwo undu uria wacungiriirie hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.